You must be quite desperate to come here, to get a grasp of oneui 4.0, just because Samsung didn't make it available for your country, or it's just available for a limited number of people. So what's left for me to do? I'm just gonna show you how to install it illegally. It's not illegal, it's just a method to install it manually, don't worry. Nothing's illegal. Get into the intro. Adhere intro for oneui 4.0 without the funny part. Hi there pros, my name is Pro, and today I'm gonna show you how to install oneui 4.0 beta on your device. But before continuing, take these two things into consideration. First of all, obviously, maybe the beta isn't out for your device yet, so you can go further. You have to check that. You can check on the description which links I have provided. If I provided a link for your device, then it's available. And secondly, this video is only for the beta. If you're installing oneui 4.0 stable in the future, please tap on the card that's popping up right now because it's a different method. Okay, what you need to install this beta is a laptop, and a cable to connect your laptop with your phone, and the update.zip file. That's all you need. Well, that's all for the introduction part. Let's just get into it. Well, here we are at the desktop with a face cam. I don't know why would you want to see my face. Actually, I wouldn't want to see my face. Whatever. So first of all, we need the update file. I provided the link in the description. You can find the links for the Exynos or Snapdragon devices. If you don't know which one you have, just check on settings, about, model. And if your model name ends with F or B, then it means you have an Exynos variant. If it ends with U or U1, then you have the Snapdragon version. You can do more research on Google regarding that. Now, I'm at the Exynos page. As you can see, the beta has been uploaded for the Galaxy S21 and S21 Ultra. But unfortunately, no one has captured the Galaxy S21 Plus. So all you need to do is wait until someone uploads it. Don't forget, this is based on user contributions, so all you need to do is to wait until someone uploads it. Now, so let's say I want to download the beta for Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is the model, they have also provided it here. You need to have this build. If you don't have this build, the update will fail. Nothing will break, it will just say, oh, wrong model number and stuff. If you want to check if you have this model, go to settings again, about, software information, and at build number, check out the 4 characters at the end. If they're the same with the one here, then you're good to go. If it's not the same with this, you can't update. If you're an experienced user, you can skip, but I'm trying to explain every step for people who are not experienced. Now remember this. Let's say beta 2 and beta 3 have been released, you're still at beta 1 or you're still at the stable build. Do not skip updates. You cannot do that, it will give you an error. In order to install beta 3, you will have to install beta 1, beta 2, beta 3. You have to respect the build numbers. And to jump to the stable oneui 4.0 when it will be released, you don't have to do this anymore. You will have to update via Odin. I have a video regarding that, check out in the description. Then you have the stable build and you will get automatic updates again. Because when you do this, you won't get automatic updates. You will have to manually update until you get to stable. Remember that. Now, click here to download. For some reason it says it can't be downloaded securely by my browser. Don't worry about that. Click on the 3 dots, keep anyway, because it's not a popular file, not everybody is downloading it. Now that it has been downloaded, what I need you to do is go to View, Show, File Name Extensions. Enable that. In Windows 10, it's here in the top. Now, this is the file we downloaded. Right click on it and then rename it. Select everything, even the file name extension, and write update.zip. Enter. It will give you some warning. Yes, we're not scared of warnings, are we? Now, we have it ready. The next step is to download and install ADB. What is ADB? How do I install it, you may be asking? Well, I've already explained it, so tap on the card that's popping up right now and check out that tutorial on how to fully install ADB. Okay, you're back? Let's get back into the video then. So what I need you to do is, again, go to Settings, About, Software Information, and tap repeatedly at build number until something will show up. Now go back to Settings again, and at the bottom you will see Developer Options. Then scroll down and enable USB Debugging. It's an option that will allow the phone to communicate with the PC, something that developers use. If you don't feel safe with it, you can disable it after we do the update. But you'll need that for every update. Now, after enabling it, connect your phone to your PC. I'm recording with my phone, so goodbye, face cam. Alright, now connect your device. When you're connecting, this will pop up. Now allow. Right click on update.zip wherever you have saved it, cut it, and move it to where you have installed ADB. In this case, it's at C Android Platform Tools, and I will paste it here. Right click, paste. Now that it's here, open PowerShell, Command Prompt, or Windows Terminal, anything you want. In this case, I will open Windows Terminal. Right click on the Start button, Windows Terminal Admin. Now, type ADB Devices. It will show up your device unauthorized. Now tap on Always Allow and Allow. Now type ADB Reboot Recovery. Now at your phone, move using the volume button keys and select with the power button key. Go to Apply Update from ADB. Select with the power button. Now that we're at this screen, on your PC, type ADB sideload update.zip and then enter. In this case, I'm not gonna click enter because I have a Galaxy S20 and I can't install the Galaxy S21 Ultra firmware on a Galaxy S20, obviously. But it will show up something like this. And then your device will reboot to oneui 4.0. In order to exit from this screen, let's say something went wrong, you just hold power button and volume down. Now that you have oneui 4.0 installed, make sure to ADB reboot recovery again before doing anything. And when you are at the recovery screen, with the volume buttons, go to Wipe Cache Partition. Select it. Select Yes. And then reboot to System Now. Well, that's all here. Don't forget to update manually, and when the official update is out, use Odin to update. If you want to go back to Android 11, you'll have to again use Odin and flash the firmware, but you will lose your data, so take that into consideration. Well, that's all here. Well, that was tiring. It wasn't? Or maybe because I closed the window, it's so hot in here. Well, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. Of course, any questions you may have, please comment below. Leave a like if it helped. Leave 2 likes if it helped. No, don't leave 2 likes because that will remove the like. And if you want more of this, please subscribe to become a pro. I'll be explaining the SD card method because the Galaxy S20 has an SD card and it's actually easier than this one. So, look forward to it. Bye!